remainder theorem. So here we are going to discuss about the remainder theorem. The statement of this remainder theorem is of, if a rational integral function of x is of f of x, when it is divided by means of x minus a, then the remainder will be of f of a. So here we are going to discuss this topic under the advanced level. So here the statement of this remainder theorem is of, if a rational integral function of x, that is, so we are considering it as f of x, the function, we are considering it as the f of x, which is nothing but the rational integral function of x, then when it is divided by x minus a, then the remainder will be of, f of a. So here we are going to prove it. The proof starts now, whereas in the statement the if condition is of. So here rational integral function of x, so we suppose it as f of x. When this f of x is divided by means of x minus a, which is nothing but a divisor, then the remainder which we get will be of f of a. So here in our proof, first of all we are supposing the quotient, let q of x be the quotient and r, capital R, be the remainder when f of x, that is the rational integral function, that is f of x, is divided by x minus a. Then now, so in this, when f of x is divided by means of x minus a, f of x will be the dividend and x minus a will be the divisor, and the quotient we supposed it as q of x and the remainder as the capital R. So here according to the division rule, so here as per or according to division rule, so we can write it as dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here as per this condition, that is the division rule, so we are going to substitute the dividend, divisor, quotient. So here as per the condition which we supposed, the dividend, so we are going to divide this f of x by means of x minus a, then the dividend will be of f of x and the divisor will be of x minus a, then the quotient we suppose it as q of x and the remainder is of r. Then now, so dividend is of f of x, then that is equals to divisor is of x minus a, then into quotient is of q of x, then now plus the remainder we suppose it as r. But here in this case, the degree of the quotient will be 1 less than that of the f of x. So here we can write it as the note. So here the degree of q, that is the quotient, will be 1 less than the dividend, which is f of x, and as well as, so here r is a constant. So since the equation is true for all real values, so here we can substitute x as a. So here for x is equals to a, then f of, so here x must be replaced by means of a, then the condition will be of, that implies, so here x we are going to replace by means of a, because the given equation f of x is equals to x minus a into quotient q of x plus r is true for all real values of x. So I am going to what I say, replace x by means of a, then now f of a is equals to, so here x minus a, x must be replaced by means of a, so here a minus, so a must be written as it is, bracket into q of, then now x must be replaced by means of a, then now plus remainder r. So here within the bracket the a is of negative and a is of positive, so here this two gets cancels, we will be getting as 0. So here the next logical step will be of, that implies f of a is equals to, so here we got it as 0 multiplied with q of a into plus remainder as it is. Then now the next logical step will be of, that implies f of a is equals to 0 into q of a is nothing but 0, we can struck off, then now only just plus r, that is remainder is left over, so equals to remainder. So in this manner we got remainder as f of a. So here the next logical step will be of, so here therefore remainder r is equals to f of a, but here the equation which we got is of but we have f of x is equals to, that is the dividend equals to, the divisor is of x minus a multiplied with the quotient, that is q of x plus the remainder. So now we are going to replace r by means of f of a. So in this manner we got, so that implies f of x is equals to x minus a into q of x plus r is equals to f of a. So here we got this equation. So here we got this logical step. So by the reason, so here r is replaced by means of f of a. So here since according to this reason, so we got this logical step. So based upon this remainder theorem, so here let us find out the remainder of a given polynomial. So here the problem, find the remainder when x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 5 is divided by x plus 2. Solution starts now. So here as per the problem, the given integral function is of x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 5, that is the integral function of x. So here we are supposing it as, so here f of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 5. So here the divisor is of x plus 2. So here we are going to divide this f of x by means of x plus 2. So here then x plus 2 is equals to 0, that is x equals to plus 2, when it is transposed over to the right hand side it will be of minus 2. So we have to find out the remainder, then remainder r is equals to f of x must be replaced by means of minus 2, then which gives us the remainder. See, f of a is nothing but the remainder. So here we are going to replace x equals to minus 2 in the place of x. So that is equals to x must be replaced by means of minus 2, that is whole cube minus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2, then now minus 5. Then the next logical step will be of f of minus 2, that is the remainder equals to remainder r is equals to f of minus 2, then that is equals to minus 2 whole cube minus 2 whole cube minus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 minus 5. So minus 2 whole cube, minus repeatedly multiplied thrice, so minus, it is of the exponent is of odd number, so we will get the negative itself. So minus 2 must be repeatedly multiplied thrice, so 2 into 2 into 2 is of 8. So in this manner we will be getting the first term as minus 8. Then the next term will be of minus repeatedly multiplied twice, so minus of minus is plus, then now plus into minus will be minus, then now 2 square, so 2 repeatedly multiplied twice, 2 2s is of 4, then 4 into 3 is of 12, so it is of minus 12 as the next term. Then the next term will be of plus of minus is minus, then now 4 into 2 is of 8, so minus 8, then the minus 5 will be the next two terms, minus 8 and minus 5. So in this manner I got f of 2, f of minus 2, f of minus 2 is equals to, since all the terms are of negative, we have to add up 8 plus 12 is of 20, 20 plus 8 is of 28, 28 plus 5, 33. So to assess the sign here, among the, since all the terms are of negative, so we can write the sign of this 33 as negative, or in other words, so here since the 12 is greater among all these, so here all these numbers, so here 12 is of negative, so we can assess the sign of negative. So therefore the remainder, so here hence the remainder r is given by means of f of minus 2, which is equals to minus 33.